Right, we're at the unit. There's me and James, if you can see him there. We've come down to do a bit of his disco. There's not a lot happening, so got to pull out a finger out and get some of this done, like.
Is that recording?
Alright. There's a boy, what?
Lads.
Right, what's the plan of action today, like?
Wait, I need a pen, mate. I've put it somewhere and I didn't know where.
This boy is useless, you know, for like keeping an eye on things. Where'd you last have it?
You want to know the truth?
You didn't,
I haven't got a clue.
Why am I not shocked? Literally, that's bright. Ah, your eyes, what? I don't know if grafts, like.
If this goes off angle, I think I'm going to cut it. I cut it about here. So literally there.
What, in matter like a fresh one going down?
And then put the fresh one in, gone that way because it's...
Let's get off there, innit?
me cutting and me measuring is shite.
There. Off. Come on, focus.
So,
push it up. Like so it gets flush.
Might as well.
Right, so he's gonna cut that out now, and then we'll cut it out, and then we'll see where we're going from there. Probably get it tacked in, or at least get that end tacked in, and then mark the new. Wanna get welded in?
Possible.
Time's it like?
8 o'clock.
Is it? Aye, we're getting here a bit late, like, because we've me disco inject seals went, so I got them done and that the other night. But because the inject seals were not it's obviously raised the oil level. So we've drained the oil, changed the filters while I've been on down the oil, just makes sense really. And starting that outside the house, now by that idled, spot on, went to drive it out the street, and it just packed in, just like coughed and farted, and then give up, left us at the side of the road. But that's what discoveries do to you, so this is what it is. I know. Fine example.
Don't want to buy a Land Rover?
No, I do, because the mint,
Are they all cool?
like, you love them, man. We love ours, like, every time we're going out to the mint, like, you can't get enough of them. I think it's wrong, it is a kick in the balls, like, when they're going wrong, but we've got a decent bit of knowledge between a lot of us now, haven't we? So right, we're going to get this cut out, and then we'll come back to it, and then see what it looks like.
So I've gotten them bits of steel cut out of where I wanted to cut it out up there. We've cracked on and made the cardboard template, we made the steel, and the steel burns all that. The steel should fit lovely in there. Beautiful.
It does look nice, that, now.
In now.
We've just been seeing we're going to call the night because it's getting on now, like, it's what, 10 past 10 or something. The welder's playing up, and quite frankly we're getting kind of annoyed, so I think we're just going to go on, yeah.
Guess they are, sure. So we're getting it in, like, we're getting about half of it in, around the top. Forces. Just need to get it in up this side here tomorrow.
It looks
well, this little like, gap here.
Doesn't it?
And then make a plate up for the end there, and box this side off and crack on with the other side, like. To be honest, it's starting to do me head in not having it on the road.
Jealous!
Aye, and I am jealous.
I can't say that, actually mine's broke.
Aye, well, it's a landing in it, so. But aye, let's see it. I can't wait for it to be on the road. So we'll come back through tomorrow night with Burns' welder, and we'll get cracking with it, and hopefully it's only another couple of months or something, but we'll never know. I mean, realistically speaking, if I put all the time into it, I'll probably have it done pretty quick, but one, I haven't got the time, 2, I keep losing motivation, then finding motivation, losing
Just
motivation.
about to see you there, that's half the battle. It's getting you to pull your finger up, man.
I know, it's day made in, but we'll get there in the end, man, and she'll be back out. But like Burns just said, we're going to call it a night for tonight, so we'll catch up with you tomorrow.
Right, it's the next day, we're back. Forgot the welder, so great start. I think we're just going to pretty much get into it, like, just get cracked on. We've repaired that welder.
I mean, don't know how long it's going to last, like, but...
probably not long.
Working for now.
Right, let's see, we're going to get straight into it, get cracked on, and then see how far we'll get on tonight.
We've got that bit welded in. Got all the way, same welded right round. I'm just going to make a new template up for this end bit. Get that welded in. Well, obviously we'll put the steel first, like, I'm not going to weld the cardboard in, but we'll get cracking with that then. You can see how we'll progress through it.
Put your tongue away. Put your tongue away.
So I think I'm going to need it coming down here. And I need like a bend to the bulkhead. So let's try it.
You what?
I've got to put it straight up first. What's it doing?
He loses everything, this fella, you know.
I do, you know, every single thing I put down. Maybe a little patch up for down there. A little patch for in here. And just one at the back.
Aye. Aye, that's better, like. Much better.
Should work that, shouldn't it? That'd be sound there.
There's only one way to find out, mate.
I know. Obviously, never done this before, so I am just winging it, to be fair. There might be a right and a wrong way to do it, and I'm not saying I'm doing it the right way, but it's worked so far, so I'm going to keep doing it, like. And where's that pin?
That light put messes with his camera.
I don't know, mate. I need me proper little torch light today, mate, in that big light. I mean, so's Dill if you're watching, mate. I do light your light. But it's got its purpose, isn't its purpose, like. Sorry, mate.
Not good in tight spaces. Right, so we've done it again, we've got to turn the camera on, but we've got the steel made. So we've got to see if it fits.
Doesn't fit.
That light wreaks havoc with this. Choppy choppy. Alright. Right. Oh, at the chopping table. Test fit number 2. Oh, that looks better.
Aye, mate, it's just about perfect. This bit I'm
Jam.
a bit wary about, like. I don't know, we might just have to flatten that out a little bit if I can. Once it's welded in, like along here. You know what I mean?
Why aye?
Sit that in there like that. Real like that.
Is that the plan, like?
That's how it to be.
Aye.
That way I'm the fabricator and they get welded. Like, I didn't really know what I'm doing. I imagine you'd, like, don't know about this.
Shape it all.
Aye. But I'm not that good. So it's going to be like that.
Oh, right. Well, let's get the welding.
So we've got that bit tucked in. Burnsy's on cutting the... I've done it. I've really burnt my finger touched the back of the stairwell a bit. I'm saying really, it's only a little blister, but bloody hurts. Right, this should fit in here.
I think that should be sound, that one.
From the top it should look as OEM as it's going to get, really.
Aye.
When it's, no, you can't really see, but I mean that's sound, that looking mint. We'll get that made out of the steel and we'll get that in and we'll be laughing. A couple more little patches. Got one to go on the end of here, and there'll be one to go on that end. And then we'll be right. So do you want to give that template and we'll start getting it cut out?
I'm taxing your lights a bit, like, because these lights
these lights are really warm.
Aye.
Really warm.
Especially when you're in this unit.
It's freezing in this unit. 2 jackets. Oh.
I normally wear my jogger bottoms underneath the joggers and that.
Get this camera. Look at them pinching all the heat.
Oh, I saw me, I'm freezing, man. Freezing.
Well, I need light.
Oh, man.
Look at the mess we've got going on here.
Oh, it's not never ever tidy, like. Wait, to be fair.
It is,
to be fair, it's. Oh, right. Obviously, that's a seat at the minute. Yeah. There's daft bits of rubbish lying about. But apart from that, it's actually clean. Really, compared to what it's been like.
There's been some skids in here.
Aye.
There's been all sorts of.
Horrible as well, because it's get dusty. Like.
Aye. Sure,
obviously, that's how you filings, but.
Sure, the floor just crumbled away.
Hopefully, we end up with a pit one day.
I made one about looking for a bigger unit, don't I? See the pen?
I had it down there. It was right underneath your stair. So what I mean about James, like, looking for things.
Where was it?
Underneath the stair, mate.
No, where? I was stood here, so I couldn't even see.
Step back one, you'll have seen it. Just like asking for a hand all the time.
Alright. You can do it on the glass. I'll just chill out.
I'm as much used to chocolate fire guard.
Aye, alright. Me, it couldn't be chocolate because you read it and it's hot.
Shut up, man. Do you not think it's worth clamping it in the other way? So, like, but this bit doesn't drop.
Aye, but this vice mirror doesn't go in very far. So, like, when it's out here, it vibrates loads and you've got nothing.
Oh, really? Moment of truth. Let's find out. I cannot really see it being flat, like. I cannot really tell where it being flat.
Yeah, I think that'd be lovely.
That's sound, isn't it?
Aye.
See, like when.
A little bit off of there to go around this.
See, like when Burnsy makes templates, they work. James makes them on the land.
For some reason, I can't get them right. You know what it is? Tracing around something.
Useless!
I'm trying to get it right. Safety first.
Here we go. See if this goes in, eh?
That'll be alright, that'll work sound like.
Looks like it's went up much nicer, like, to be fair.
It has made literally just about perfect, like.
Yeah.
Maybe move that over a touch. Like that. Right, we'll get this tucked in, like. We've got this in. Gonna get a little patch made up for up here. The same for back there. And then we'll call it a night, like. That is actually perfect, like.
Oh, it can't be a task. Aye, there. There. Did it touch it? Perfect. Oh my god, mate.
It's in. That'll do.
Right, now how are we saying we're not professionals? We are!
We're now professionals, we've levelled up.
Level 99.
Fit that well around it. Oh yes, out of the wire.
Oh, you're joking.
Oh well, it's tucked in.
Right, that looks like the end of it for tonight then, because we've run out of welding wire.
I've got one in.
Oh, maybe not, we've got another spool.
Lovely.
Right.
Tap that other one in, Noel. At the back.
A back one.
Just at the top, I've already put a little one on the bottom. Right, lads in. Right, so the full shape of the arch is back. Got that little side bit in. It's a little bit dark, don't know if you can see it to be honest. Oh, there. Obviously it's all just tacked at the minute. Anyway, that's going to be the end of the video for this week. So if you tune in next time on the Discord build series, I don't think it'll be next week. I think Aiden's going to get a video out on the SG next week. It's getting there, to be honest. Doesn't look much, but it's very near finished, like.
Oh, it is, mate.
Well, the welding anyway. Obviously he's planning on painting it and all sorts, but like I say anyway, if you tune in next time and see us carrying on with the other side, well, we'll get that side welded in. We'll carry on with the other side arch. We'll start with the side arch, sorry. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you want to like, comment and subscribe.